Finding winning products on Etsy can feel impossible, especially with thousands of wall art listings fighting for attention. But here's the thing, you don't need expensive analysis tools or hours of research. In this video, I'll show you a free method to quickly spot top-selling wall art designs, why they're working, and how you can use AI to create your own version. Wall art is one of the biggest categories on Etsy. At first, it might seem like a crowded space with thousands of sellers and millions of listings. But that also means there's a huge opportunity. Wall art is evergreen. People are always decorating their interior spaces. The real challenge is figuring out which styles shoppers are actually buying. And here's a free way to get this done. Go to Etsy and type wall art into the search bar. Filter by selecting star seller, but instead of stopping there, we want to focus on the ones marked as best sellers. To see more of these, go to the URL and change the word star to best. This way you'll see all of the best-selling products you can use as inspiration. The next step is to check reviews. Listings with hundreds of reviews prove that buyers aren't just clicking, they're purchasing, leaving feedback, and likely recommending it. Reviews are one of the strongest signals of steady demand. After this, it's crucial to look at the thumbnails. Paying attention to the design styles used can help you quickly determine which trending styles you can apply to your own product design. By following these steps, you're not just browsing, you're analyzing Etsy's marketplace signals to see what real buyers want. For example, using this same strategy, I found a seller doing really well with coastal floral wall art design, which focuses on the combination of beach-inspired elements with floral designs, creating a relaxed seaside aesthetic for home decoration. This design alone has made the store achieve impressive revenue in total sales, and by checking the most recent reviews, you can see it's still generating daily sales. Or how about another seller that's crushing it with watercolor botanical wall art? These are evergreen. People love nature themes in their homes. By using this strategy, you end up crafting designs that have the potential to sell fast. And once you've got that design, the real magic happens when you move beyond digital-only listings. Most people jump into selling only digital downloads because they feel they don't have to worry about inventory. But here's the problem. Digital-only sellers often get stuck in a price war. If one seller lists at a low price, another might go even lower, making the profit margins lower. Now compare that with physical products, where the same design can be applied to a product that sells for a higher price. Why? Because buyers aren't just paying for a file, they're paying for a ready-to-hand finished product. It's convenience, quality, and perceived value all in one. To sell physical products without handling printing or shipping yourself, you need a print-on-demand service. There are many, but I recommend Printify. Printify is your gateway to a global network of print providers, connecting you with printing companies around the world. That means your customers get faster delivery at lower shipping costs, no matter where they are. But it's not just about speed. With Printify, you can sell a wide range of popular white label products, all using the same designs you create. And here's the kicker. Printify seamlessly connects with popular online stores, and with its AI model, you can automatically generate optimized product titles, descriptions, and searchable tags. Printify takes care of the hardest parts. No inventory, no upfront costs, no packing, and no shipping. You get to focus on what matters most, your designs and marketing, while Printify handles production. So keep watching to learn how to set this up. Now here's the thing. While Etsy is an amazing marketplace, relying on it alone can be risky. One day, you could wake up to find that Etsy has suspended your store for no clear reason. That's why it's best to also have an additional store outside of Etsy. On your own store, you're not competing against hundreds of similar listings on someone else's platform. And the process of setting this up is simple. Once you choose a platform and create your store, the next step is to register a .store domain. Because a .store domain immediately tells visitors what your site is about. Websites with a .store domain receive 87% more traffic and rank twice as high on Google, which means your sales grow faster. That's exactly why global icons like MrBeast, Cristiano Ronaldo, Rihanna, and Emirates Airlines all use .store domains for their brands. Normally getting a .store domain costs $29, but if you head to checkout and use the coupon code Endatah, you'll get it at a discounted price with privacy protection included. Even if privacy protection is turned off, you'll still get the domain at a lower price for the first year. And that's not all. You'll also get free access to the Plus version of Elevate.store when you register a .store domain. This premium toolkit is designed to help online sellers grow faster, and it includes deals and discounts for essential tools like Canva, Shopify, and AutoDS, all free, just for choosing a .store domain. Now that you know what's actually selling, the next step is knowing how to create these designs. That's where AI comes in. Tools like Kittl AI allow you to generate high-quality artwork in seconds. Kittl AI has multiple AI models, including the ChatGPT and Nano Banana. The plan is to experiment with them to see what results they produce. But first, you need to craft a solid prompt. And here's how I structure my prompts. In a watercolor style, imagine a wildflowers growing on sandy dunes with a calm ocean in the background. After creating a new portrait size in Kittl, I selected the ChatGPT AI model and pasted my prompt. Then I set my aspect ratio and clicked generate. Here's the result I got. After that, I went back and changed the AI model to Nano Banana to compare the results. And I also realized that using Nano Banana, you can't change the aspect ratio. But this was not the only prompts I created. I also created a list of proven prompts. With these prompts, you can skip the guesswork and jump straight into creating designs that are market ready. And a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. Once you have gotten your final design, the last step is making it print ready for Printify. Make sure to use a platform like Let's Enhance to upscale your images to a higher resolution. After that, send it to Printify to prepare it for printing. Once you have integrated your online store with Printify, select the poster product and import your design into the white label product, and Printify will automatically provide default product details. But to make your product highly searchable, use the Printify AI model. Simply provide a short description of your product, and it will generate an optimized title, description, and searchable tags for you. To take it a step further, you can also use Kittl flows to craft a mockup for your wall art design. For example, I provided it with a simple prompt, and it generated an amazing looking mockup. Once everything is set, click upload. Finally, if you found this helpful, grab my prompt list in the description below. It will save you hours of trial and error. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.